Imagine this. What if a phone came out that didn't just connect you to Wi-Fi or a local cell tower, but gave you free internet anywhere on Earth? From the busiest streets of New York City to the most remote deserts, mountains, or oceans. What if you didn't need a SIM card, didn't have to pay a carrier every single month, and didn't even have to worry about charging your phone the old-fashioned way? Sounds impossible, right? Well, Elon Musk and Tesla are saying it's not only possible, it's happening right now. Today, we're diving into the brand new Tesla Pi phone, a futuristic smartphone priced at just $780 that could not only disrupt Apple's iPhone 17, Samsung's Galaxy lineup, and Huawei's flagships, but could completely flip the entire telecom and internet industry on its head. This isn't just a phone. It's a piece of Elon Musk's larger vision, a device that brings Starlink satellite internet, solar charging, AI integration, and even potential Neuralink compatibility right into your hands. And in this video, we're going to unpack everything. What's inside, how it compares to the iPhone 17, why it matters so much for people in the United States, what challenges Tesla faces, and Elon Musk's massive future vision. So buckle up, because the Tesla Pi phone unboxing might just be the moment we look back on and say, this was the day smartphones changed forever. Part 1. The big announcement: Tesla has finally revealed the Pi phone unboxing and first hands-on look. And it's not just another incremental tech product. It's being positioned as a game-changing revolution. The biggest headline? The price. At just $789, Tesla is undercutting the average flagship smartphone by a massive margin. To put it in perspective, the average iPhone 17 Pro Max in the US is around $1,590 before taxes and Apple Care. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is in the same $1,299, $1,699 range depending on configuration. Even a mid-tier Huawei or Google Pixel Pro crosses the $1,200 mark. And here comes Tesla, with a phone that's not only half the price, but comes with lifetime Starlink internet included. That's right. No carrier, no contracts, no $100 monthly Verizon or AT&T bill. You buy the phone and you're online, anywhere, anytime. For U.S. consumers, that's a jaw-dropping value proposition. The average American spends around $1,200 a year on mobile internet and phone plans. With Tesla's Pi phone, you'd save that every single year just by owning this device. So already, just from a cost perspective, the Tesla Pi phone is a shockwave in the industry. Part 2. What's inside? Features now. Let's open the box, literally and figuratively, and break down the Tesla Pi phone's features. Starlink Internet Integration. The headline feature: built-in Starlink connectivity. Starlink is Elon Musk's satellite-based internet system, already with over 6,000 satellites orbiting Earth, covering almost every region. What this means is, you don't need to worry about cell towers. You don't need Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T. Your phone connects directly to satellites. Whether you're hiking in the Rocky Mountains, road tripping across rural Texas, or sitting in a cafe in Manhattan, you're online with the same consistent, fast, and, here's the kicker, free Starlink internet. Tesla claims this is a lifetime inclusion. Once you buy the phone, you'll never see another internet bill again. Solar charging capability. Second, the Pi phone integrates solar charging panels. Tesla has miniaturized solar technology from its energy division and embedded it into the phone's body. This means if you're outdoors, whether it's sunlight coming through your window, Or you're literally outside hiking. Your phone slowly charges itself. You still get fast charging with a wired cable. Of course. But this solar backup means true off-grid living becomes possible. For adventurers, travelers, or people in areas with unstable electricity, this is a game changer. Neuralink compatibility, future ready. Third, Elon Musk has teased Neuralink integration. While this isn't active yet, the Pi phone is being built with the hardware potential to connect with future Neuralink brain-computer interfaces. Imagine controlling your phone with your thoughts, or having notifications appear directly in your mind. That sounds like science fiction, but Musk is laying the foundation. AI-driven operating system, the phone doesn't run on iOS or Android. Tesla has developed its own operating system, powered by Dojo AI, the same AI Tesla uses in its self-driving cars. This means smart features, predictive commands, AI-assisted apps, and even Tesla vehicle integration are baked right into the system. Shock value feature, free Starlink. But of course, the most shocking line here remains, you get free Starlink internet with every Pi phone, forever. Part 3, the comparison game now. How does the Tesla Pi phone actually stack up against Apple's iPhone 17 and other competitors? iPhone 17, gorgeous design, Apple ecosystem, but no free internet. You're still locked into AT&T or Verizon paying $100+ per month. Tesla wins on cost and freedom. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Amazing cameras, expandable features. But again, you pay premium prices and monthly bills. Tesla offers connectivity independence. Huawei flagship, strong in Asia but no Google support, and also relies on carriers. Tesla beats it with global coverage. Google Pixel Pro, incredible AI photography, but still bound to traditional networks. Tesla's satellite internet trumps it. The bottom line is, every other phone in the world still relies on local carriers and monthly bills. Tesla doesn't, and that's the disruptive advantage. Part 4. The Impact, USA Focus. Let's bring this closer to home. What does this mean for people in the United States? 1. Cost savings. The average American family spends about $2,400 per year on phone and internet bills. With Tesla Pi phone, you eliminate that cost entirely. For students, young workers, and retirees, that's huge savings. Connectivity. Independence travelers, truckers, outdoor enthusiasts, people who constantly battle dead zones, will finally have coverage anywhere. From Alaska to Arizona, Starlink is there. Telecom industry disruption. Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile make billions annually from mobile data subscriptions. If millions of Americans switch to Tesla Pi, those revenues collapse. Expect legal battles, lobbying, and resistance. Education and equality. Millions of rural Americans still lack reliable internet. With Pi phone, kids in small towns could access online learning the same way as kids in big cities. This has massive social impact. Part 5. Why U.S. audience should care students and young people. For under $800, you not only get a smartphone, but free global internet. No contracts, no bills. Perfect for young Americans trying to save money. Retirees. Fixed incomes are tight. A Pi phone eliminates internet bills and gives peace of mind. Tech enthusiasts. This is Elon Musk's vision. A phone that integrates AI, solar energy, Starlink, and maybe even Neuralink in the future. Part 6. Challenges Tesla faces, of course. It won't be smooth sailing. Tesla has huge challenges ahead. Government approvals. In the U.S., the FCC controls communications. Expect heavy regulations before Tesla can fully roll this out. Battery versus solar. Solar charging is innovative, but will it be fast enough for heavy users? That's a question. Resistance from telecom giants, AT&T, Verizon, and others won't go quietly. Expect lawsuits, lobbying, and PR campaigns against Tesla. Manufacturing scale. Can Tesla actually produce millions of these devices with the same quality as Apple or Samsung? Part 7. Elon Musk's future vision. But Elon Musk isn't stopping here. The Pi phone is just step 1. Imagine a world where your Tesla car, Tesla home solar system, and Tesla Pi phone are all connected. Starlink satellites give you internet everywhere. AI assistants help you in daily life. Neuralink lets you control your devices with thought. This is Musk's vision of a Tesla smart ecosystem, where the Pi phone is not just a phone, but your gateway to an entirely new lifestyle. Finally, so here's the big question. Would you buy the Tesla Pi phone for $789 if it meant free internet for life and complete independence from Verizon, AT&T, and Apple? Or do you think this is just another Elon Musk experiment that might never truly scale? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because Tesla's next big announcement could be right around the corner. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. This is the future, and the future might just fit in the palm of your hand.